Hello, my name is Larry McCool, mechanic at Air Tractor. Today we'll be looking at replacing your seat cover out of your aircraft. After you get your covers off and you inspect your foam pieces and you realize that you would like to replace them also, you'll need to start by taking off this red bottom pad. To remove your bottom pad, you'll take these screws out of your 8L clamps that are attached to your frame. The location of your pan is going to be approximately 5/8 of an inch from this bottom bar on both sides. Kind of eyeball it, 5/8. After we've installed our bottom pan and before we stick our thigh pad in, we will be applying 3M glue to both the bottom pad and the back pad. After you've secured your thigh pad, placement of your bottom pad will be at the 4 screws that you took off in the 8L clamps. Once your pads are installed on your seat frame, the next step will be soaking your bottom cover in warm water. Once you've soaked your cover for 4 or 5 minutes, it's ready to put on your seat. Be sure and put your loops with the knot on top. After you get your cover on your frame and start to pull your cover, you'll constantly be looking to keep it straight. A good way is to look at the corners, make sure they're even, and right here. Once you've secured your bottom flap with your turnbuckles and your safety wire, next will come pulling the side flaps. A regular washer on the bottom, your fork, L washer on the top of it, the barrel on the turnbuckle needs to be put on about 2 rounds to start off with. The reason for the L washer is to secure this turnbuckle from moving. That'll save you a headache a little further down the line. Knot on top. The flat pieces of aluminum we slide underneath these turnbuckles are just going to help protect that cover from getting cut. Once you secure your bottom cover, your back cover will be your next step. To position your back cover, just slide over the top of your frame and pad. I've pre-cut the 550 cord to about 28 inches. Secured it with a non-slipping knot. You'll need 6 of these. We're going to use 3 for the side flaps. For more information, contact your air tractor dealer or airtractor.com. Thank you for your business, and remember, fly safe.